The horn pattern indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader4 and MetaTrader5 and run it on the charts. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and has been used. You select the indicator file from the navigator section and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to activate the Allow DLL Imports option from the Complete section and then click the Confirm option. With the indicator activated on the chart, it starts searching and drawing the horn pattern. Here, it has identified a horn pattern for us, the drawing method, and the indicator's functionality use the zigzag indicator, such that when a lower low and a higher high are formed, followed by another lower low and a higher high, the width of this channel should be larger than the width of its initial channel. In the settings, under the Input section, there are options available. The first part relates to the settings of the zigzag indicator, including showing or hiding zigzag lines, setting the period of zigzag lines, and the type of zigzag line drawing, which can be dashed, dotted, solid, and various other styles. The next section pertains to the color settings of the zigzag lines, which you can change to your preferred color, and you can also adjust the thickness of the zigzag lines. The next part relates to the settings of the horn pattern, including showing or hiding the horn pattern, which is enabled by default. You can change the color of the horn pattern to your desired color, and the last section is for setting the custom template of the indicator, which has 4 different options: Auto, Light, Dark, and Custom. By selecting the Auto option, only the color of the candles changes, with bullish candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. By selecting the Light option, a bright template is applied to the chart, the template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the Dark option, a dark template is chosen. And finally, by selecting the Custom option, it retains your personalized template and only runs the indicator for the chart. Here, I select the dark template, activate the zigzag indicator, set its color to red, and finally choose the horn pattern in yellow. After that, I click Confirm. Here, my template changed to dark, the zigzag indicator was activated in red, and finally, the horn pattern changed to yellow for me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.